Hi everyone, I'm Marina from English for Nations. This channel is dedicated to teach you English in a fun and a simple way. So if you have struggled to speak English in the past, this channel is for you. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see all what's new. In this lesson, you're going to learn the past tense questions. Shall I use did, was, or were? So we use was or were to describe something or someone. Examples: how was the weather yesterday? Why was she absent last class? Where were you born? So we use was with I, he, she, it, and we use were with we, you, and they. On the other hand, we use did in the question to ask about an action. Examples: when did he arrive? Where did you grow up? Why did she move to the UK? So when I ask a question about the verb or the action, I need to use did for the auxiliary, and the main verb must be in infinitive. We use did with all the subjects, with he, she, it, I, we, you, or they. Now it's time for you to practice. Complete using did, was, or were. Where complete you born? Correct. Where were you born? When complete he go to bed yesterday? Yes. When did he go to bed yesterday? Who complete he play football with? Yes. Who did he play football with? Why complete she sad? Exactly. Why was she sad? Where complete they at 1 p.m.? Great. Where were they at 1 p.m.? When complete you travel to London? Correct. When did you travel to London? Another exercise, you need to tell me, is it true or false? Where was she get married? True or false? False. Where did she get married? Number 2, when was she born? True or false? True. 3, where were they learn English? True or false? False. Where did they learn English? 4, what did his opinion? Is it true or false? False. What was his opinion? 5, what did he do to punish him? Is it true or false? True. 6, how did the party? True or false? Yes, false. How was the party? Number 7, why did she cry? True or false? Great, true. 8, when did the last project? Is it true or false? False. When was the last project? Number 9, why did she disappear? Is it true or false? Exactly, true. Number 10, when did you see the dentist? Is it true? So Jason, where did you grow up? I grew up in Texas. Were you born there? Yeah, I was born in Dallas. And when did you come to Los Angeles? In 2000. How old were you then? I was 18. I went to college here. Oh, what was your major? Drama. I was an actor for 5 years after college. Really? Why did you become a hairstylist? Because I needed the money and I love it. That's all from me today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also hit the notification bell to see all what's new. See you next time.